My name is Kurtis Reeme. I'm the CEO of K&D Development, a full-service general contracting firm. The old way of doing things was a lot of pen and paper and a multitude of laptops being laid out. We were having a hard time going back and forth through email with architects and a customer to get design decisions locked in. About 2 years ago, I started looking for the best smartboard on the market, and it brought me to Vibe. I seen how detailed it was by pulling up AutoCAD and blueprints. The technology that the Vibe board has brought us has literally changed our entire business. Before, I'd say we were doing anywhere from 1 to 2, 1 to 3 estimates a day. By using the Vibe board, we're able to mark up live architectural plans, pull things off of the internet to reference them, price things in live time. Now, it's easy for us to get out 3 to 5 estimates in a day. Architect, engineer, the construction team, with everyone on the same page at the same time, we can just utilize our efficiency. Not just in-house with our personal team, but with our clients as well. The client usually has an idea in their head. With Canvas, we can literally take our designs and we can mark them up and show the customer in real time. After the customer sees that envisioned process, they're able to sign off on it. We can literally take what they see and what they want and then create it for them. The Vibe board has literally made us more efficient. It has sealed more deals and signed more contracts. We've had all the way up to a 25 to 30% increase in our workload, as well as the money we've seen returned on it. I truly feel like the future of the AEC industry is through Vibe.